Hello and welcome to our video on how to make a profit from sheep farming. Sheep farming can be a profitable and rewarding business if done right. In this video, we'll discuss the steps you can take to maximize your profits and make your sheep farming business a success. Step 1. Plan your sheep farming business. The first step to making a profit in sheep farming is to plan your business. You should have a clear idea of what you want to achieve, your target market, and your budget. Start by researching the market and identifying the demand for sheep and sheep products in your area. Determine the type of sheep you want to raise and whether you will be breeding, selling, or both. Once you have a clear plan, it's time to set up your farm. You will need a good grazing area, shelter, and equipment. You will also need to invest in sheep breeds that are suitable for your area and ensure you have access to veterinary services. Step 2. Breed selection. The selection of the right breed is crucial in sheep farming. Different breeds have different characteristics and are suited for different purposes. Some breeds are suited for meat production, while others are suited for wool production. When selecting a breed, consider the climate and environmental conditions of your area. Some breeds are better suited to colder climates, while others thrive in warmer climates. Breeding stock can be purchased from other sheep farmers or livestock auctions. When selecting breeding stock, ensure that they are healthy and have good genetic traits. Step 3. Feeding and nutrition. Feeding and nutrition are critical factors in sheep farming. A well-balanced diet is essential for the growth and development of your sheep. A good diet will also ensure that the sheep produce high-quality wool and meat. Sheep are herbivores and require a diet rich in roughage. Hay, pasture grass, and silage are good sources of roughage. You can also supplement their diet with grains, such as corn or barley. Provide your sheep with clean water, free choice minerals, and salt. If you're enjoying our farming content, we would really appreciate your support. By leaving a like, comment, and subscribing to our channel, you'll help us to reach more people who are interested in learning about sustainable agriculture and the latest farming techniques. We are committed to producing more high-quality content like this, and with your help, we can continue to grow our community and share our passion for farming with even more people. So, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you think about our channel. Thank you for your support. Step 4. Disease control and management. Disease control and management are essential in sheep farming. Sheep are susceptible to various diseases, and it's important to vaccinate your sheep against common diseases. You should also practice good hygiene and sanitation to prevent the spread of disease. It's important to have a good relationship with your veterinarian and consult them on any issues related to the health of your sheep. Step 5. Marketing your sheep products. Marketing is a crucial aspect of making a profit in sheep farming. You can market your sheep products directly to consumers or through middlemen such as butchers, wool buyers, and processors. To market your sheep products, you should focus on building relationships with your customers and ensuring that your products meet their needs. You can also participate in local farmers markets or set up your own online store to sell your products. Step 6. Record keeping and financial management. Record keeping and financial management are crucial to the success of any farming business. Keep accurate records of your expenses and income, including feed, veterinary expenses, and marketing costs. This will help you track your profitability and identify areas where you can cut costs. Conclusion. Sheep farming can be a profitable and rewarding business if done right. Planning your business, selecting the right breed, feeding and nutrition, disease control and management, marketing, and record keeping are crucial factors in making a profit in sheep farming. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can run a successful sheep farming business and reap the rewards of your hard work. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.